Hello and welcome to the session. Research Project LO2. Develop a research proposal including a supporting literature review. Are you prepared to craft a compelling research proposal? This video delves into the essentials of developing a methodical research proposal and conducting a literature review. Discover the significance of clear objectives and ethical considerations in research. A research proposal lays the groundwork for your project. It is crucial to define a clear research question or hypothesis. Your aim and objectives should be well articulated. Keep in mind that they may evolve as your research progresses. Ethical considerations must be addressed throughout the process. A literature review explores and critically analyzes existing research. It positions your project within the context of existing knowledge. By adopting a funnel approach, you balance focus and depth. This can reveal gaps in knowledge or new areas of awareness. It is a foundational step in your research. The Pearson set theme for this unit is business recovery. Businesses must be ready for unexpected events. Continuity planning is essential for maintaining operations during disruptions. The COVID-19 pandemic highlighted the need for strategic resilience. Businesses that adapt will thrive in the long term. Selecting the right research objective is crucial. It should allow for exploration and argumentation. The topic must be feasible, novel, and ethical. Ensure it is relevant and interesting to you. This will broaden your understanding and perspective. Correct. A literature review demonstrates your knowledge of the academic literature. It critically evaluates the material, not just reports it. This process is essential after choosing a topic. It familiarizes you with current research in your field. Identifying unknowns in your topic is a key outcome. Constructing a literature review requires understanding its connection to research objectives. Develop your critical review skills. Combine abstract concepts to form an integrated framework. This process provides explanations and solutions in a real context. It helps avoid insular thinking and mistakes. Theory simplifies complex issues and offers explanations. It identifies causation and justifies actions. Use theoretical, contextual, and technical literature where helpful. Referred journal articles and conference papers are key sources. Avoid introductory texts for deeper insights. Consider the scope of literature versus narrow research objectives. Access to literature is crucial. Use interlibrary loans if needed. Time factors and understanding the literature are constraints. Integrate your literature search with an analytical framework. Ensure the latter is supported by the former. Verify the veracity and currency of the literature used. Consider who wrote it and its age. Ensure it addresses your research objectives. Identify missing elements or misrepresentations. Be wary of overly prescriptive or unjustifiably optimistic content. Concepts are abstractions from reality, like resource. They are building blocks at the master's level. Some are measurable, like quality. Others are not, like leadership. Concepts help in analyzing internal elements of organizations. They provide a theoretical base for your research. The literature review helps construct and justify your analytical framework. It must not be limited to framework sources. The framework can be supported by additional references. It doesn't have to be a schematic or complex diagram. It can be a list of analytical headings with explained links. A conceptual model visually connects variables based on theory. It shows major research constructs. Ensure relationships shown are accurate. Be cautious of implied monocausality or unidirectional relationships. This model aids in presenting and evaluating research findings. Demonstrating conceptual ability is integral to master's level studies. It provides a lens of analysis for research objectives. This structure aids in presenting empirical data. It ensures a relevant evaluation of findings. Use it in Chapter 4 for structured analysis. Read relevant literature and study presented concepts. Assess their relevance to your objectives. If not relevant, move on. If they are, amalgamate them for a comprehensive framework. This integration is crucial for a cohesive analysis. Objectives guide the scope of your literature review. Too many objectives can widen the review excessively. Ill-defined objectives lead to dysfunctional reviews. A massive review may look impressive but complicates Chapter 4. Keep the review focused and manageable. Finding suitable models can be challenging but not impossible. Your objectives and context are unique. An off-the-shelf review is unlikely. Assemble your review from existing models. You may develop part of the review independently. A literature review is crucial for constructing your analytical framework. It should not be confined to framework sources. Support the framework with additional references. This aids in explaining and defending your analysis. A well-constructed review enhances your research's credibility. Ensure the literature review is not overly broad. Many models may seem relevant, but can complicate analysis. A massive review requires significant effort in data collection. Focus on relevant models to streamline your review. This ensures a functional and effective analysis. If suitable models are hard to find, don't despair. Your research context is unique. Existing models can form the basis of your review. Developing part of the review independently is possible. This approach ensures a tailored and relevant analysis. In conclusion, developing a research proposal supported by a thorough literature review is a crucial step in conducting a successful research project. The proposal clearly defines the research aims, objectives, methodology, and scope, while the literature review demonstrates an understanding of existing research, key theories, and knowledge gaps. Together, these elements ensure the study is relevant, well-informed, and methodologically sound. A strong research proposal provides a clear roadmap for the research process and supports academic credibility and effective project execution. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 07484361688.